Alright, so good day everyone. So today I'll be teaching you on how to make a very simple design. Okay, so we go over to our Canva. This is what it will show you. So we go over to a part that shows flyer. Right, so we just want to make a very simple design. So we click on the flyer. Okay, we don't want to make it from scratch, so what we'll have to do is click on create design, create a new design. All right, click on customize size. So I want to make a flyer with the size, the width 1280 1280, and then the height 1280. Create new design. All right, so here it's going to here you can search for any templates you want to make use of. Right, so remember it's already a design, just that we want to make use of the background. Okay, so let's just go with this one. Okay, so we tap on this, and then we change it. We cancel the writings and then write something like in capital letters JG graphics. So we're going to reduce the size. Then bring it upwards. Nice one. Then we'll delete these things we don't need on the flyer. We delete this too. We delete this too. Since 2001, we don't need it. Okay, now nice one. So we have to import image from the gallery. We want to import image from the gallery. So let's make use of this beautiful image here. We have it. Okay, so nice one. Let's shift it one side. Okay, beautiful. Okay, that's it. So remember this heading here. If you want to get a text, you just tap on the plus sign, go to text, go to text, so we just we get a text. Or let's change it rather. Let's get another one. Let's use this one instead. Okay, so let's write something like we write something like it takes few muscles to smile. Okay, it takes few muscles to smile. to smile, and lots of muscles. Okay, it takes few muscles to smile and lots of muscles and lots of muscles to frown, comma, so keep smiling, nice one. So we can just shift it and just shift it. Shift it a little. Perfect. Okay, no, let's just bring it down a little. Wonderful. It's nice like this. It takes few muscles to smile and lots of muscles to frown, so keep smiling. All right, so like we said, we just want to make a very simple flyer. Okay, so we are going to download. Go to the download button, and then we download the flyer we just made. So it's downloading. So about how we got the beautiful lady, this image we are using right now, you actually go to Pinterest, search for beautiful ladies, and lots of it will pop out. You can see that beautiful ladies. So for you to get them, just click on the three dots here, you download them. If you want this one, click on the three dots here, you download them. Anyone you want, just keep scrolling and getting the ones you want. Click on the three dots, get them, download them. All right, so this is how we got the beautiful lady picture that we are just using for our design. So once your video downloads, you see it in your gallery. Okay, you see it in your gallery. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. I just mentored you, and I hope you grab something from it, and you are learning how to make use of our Canva effectively to make nice designs. Okay, so we're actually going to be stopping here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe below. Also comment below. So thank you very much, guys, and have a nice day.